Ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're working on this little Toro recycler that I just picked up this morning. Now, it's got the Tecumseh engine, but the engine seems to run pretty good, but it won't move. So let's get underneath it and see what's going on. First thing you'll notice when you look under here is the belt has jumped off the pulley. So we're going to have to take the retainer off to put it back on. But there's one or two things that can cause that. One's a bad belt, but this belt looks really good. And the other one is that the adjustment is a little bit too loose. So let's pull the retainer and put the belt back on. I should be able to just loosen this side up. There we go. Now let's jump our belt back into place. And the belts are supposed to be loose, and they tighten up when you pull the pull bar at the back, or by the handle, I should say. So they always go back on easy. And these are great big bolts that hold it on, but you don't want to leave any behind, because those are also the bolts that hold the engine to the frame. Okay, that's that, and the retainer looks good and the belt looks good. So let's go up top and check the adjustment. We'll put it on the ground for that. Now on this one, you can see the cable doesn't even vaguely tighten until you get all the way up here. And it should be snug down here, at least a little bit. So let's tighten that up a little. Okay, to adjust it, we're going to loosen that. We're going to put a screwdriver in it, just so we can move the cord. And that's it. That's the whole adjustment right there. We only moved it about ½ an inch. So let's tighten her up. And since it's such an easy adjustment, if you put too much tension in or want a little bit more, then it's easy to do. Let's see how she feels now. That's the way it's supposed to feel. You can see I've still got slack in the cable. It's just simply not drooping down. So let's test her and see how she works. Okay, this is an old Tecumseh engine, so we have to prime her up. And there she goes. Up. Now, I've seen one too many videos on how do you tip a mower. And if you see one where they say it depends on the brand of the mower, then just click away from that one. They don't know what they're talking about. The only way to tip a mower correctly, if you're working on the underneath of the mower, is handle down. Handle down, all the fluids will move to the correct position. Any other way you tip it, something's going to want to leak. If you're changing the oil, it's okay to turn it towards the oil cap. But other than that, just put the handle down, put something heavy on the handle. We do it all the time. You saw for this video, we had handle down, nose up to work on the blade. We weren't going to turn it on its side because there's just no reason. That's not the way they're designed. It's been a pretty good day at the shop. We got the motor flush and new oil in the Jolly Green Midget here. We went and picked up that mower and got the self-propel working and the motor running. And it's only about 8 o'clock so far. So, all you new people out there, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. It's free and it's what we work for. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.